Number one point for Liz, it's to when we start, when we just stay here, when she walks away, she feels like she's still connected to me, so it's not a complete walk away. Then she has quick, quick, slow. Then she has one more step. Quick, quick, slow, yes, very good. Now here you come in, that was great. Keeping her arm, breathing her with your body, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, delay walk, slow. Here we added a little bit. You did overturn, quick, quick, and slow. So you want to stop her here. You done it a little bit more. Then delay her, quick. Then you send her, boom. Now from here, with your elbow, trying to press her in, breathe her body into body weight. Then we're doing what? Boom. Next, and all these lunges direct to her. And now for Liz is the hip actions a little bit to add. Very good. Then what we have?
Then we walk.
The walk around part.
We open here into do.
The walk, side step, walk.
So to go into so from here another piece, because we instead of just being here, we did away, away, away. So like somebody like resistance. You run, and acceleration. And now from here, keep your face away and give her signal to sit and two. And you have to direct the two to me, darling. You hear? And two. To me, right? Not. Yes, this part of the and two. Yeah, this is into his face. Right. Forward and two. Now for you as a side step, 3. Big, like manipulate her here. 4, 1. Overturns. You're going lunge again. 2, 3 for here. Hip action so he can turn you. And 4. And for you here, growing, getting bigger, bigger, bigger. What's next?
It was just walk, side step, then turn her.
Walk.
Into the Slavic Karina part.
Into here, okay. And then Slavic Karina. So for Slavic Karina, when she goes down, you go up. Boom. So you grow as she goes down. Here, with your arm, with your body. From here, you're gonna bend your right leg, stretch your left leg. You're gonna go around her, grab her here, turn her. You don't sit on the hip. Here, chest, hands up. You're gonna pivot her here, looking away. Boom. Now you're gonna lunge forward, like you're gonna throw her away. Growing here. Now inviting her for the sliding door. Go. Walk, walk, and she's gonna put arm on the chest. And here go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, arm up, forward, here. Keep arm high. As you turn, let it go. Now from here, lunge side, very strong, big arm here. Open, mix our energy together. And for you, darling, you have elbows, elbows, skirt, and flower, flower.
And then we catch.
Catch.
Michael's hands and my hands here. The leg and the arm.
The leg. Leg and down. So leg and down. So when you lunge your arm and leg same time, and then you give her a little bit retreat, so she doesn't walk with that leg. And quick, quick, and hip, hip, slow. And overall, do a little bit more hip actions.
Let's do the basic ones.
So the basics. So idea, there is a 3 pendulums. Easy, easy, deep. Easy, easy, deep. Now the same in every step. How to achieve pendulums? You have to squeeze your rib cage into opposite way. Easy, easy, deeper. Quickie, quickie, deeper. So first 2 not that deep. They're very chilly, and this one is deep. Quick and quick. Now having that in mind, every walk you have a quick and deeper. Quick and quick, going back deeper. Quick and deeper. So every step has a hip action.
Woo! Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.